Welcome to this channel. We want to look on model space viewports for 3D modeling. So on visualize tab, so we have the model viewports. Select or click on the named, then select new viewports, and then you can now pick any of the selection that you want. In this case, I want us to use 4 equal. Now, on the preview on the right, telling us here we have a top view, you can change. You don't want the top view there, you can change. We have the front view, right? And then we have the isometric. This is looks like the third angle projection, so we can make it first angle projection. So we say here we want the front, select front. Here we need the top. So here we want the right. And at this point we need the SE isometric. So once you're done, make sure these settings, the setup is 3D, and then the visual style is shades of gray. So there are other types of visual styles. Then click OK. Now you can see here we've created now the views of this object. So if I hover my mouse at this point, it's going to show me different views of this. So now this is the front view, this is the top, this is the right, now this is the object. So if I click at this point and then restore, let me click on this and then restore, the screen will open to the view that is active. So now you have the view that you want to have a look at. So that's how to use the model space viewports for 3D modeling. Thank you.